Hi everyone, welcome back to pkmentor. In today's quick but useful tutorial, I will show you how to automatically hide WooCommerce product that don't have a feature image on your shop page, category and search result pages using just a simple PHP code snippet. This is perfect if you are working on a store where some products are missing images and you want to keep things looking clean and professional. By default, WooCommerce shows all products, even the ones without feature images, which can look messy and unprofessional. If you want to exclude any product that does not have a feature image, we can easily do this by adding a small PHP code. So go to Opinions theme file editor. Open the function.php file and in the bottom of the file you can simply paste the following code. This is the code. And then update the file. Now go to your shop page or any category page. Products that are missing feature images will no longer appear. Here you can see I have refreshed the page and here you can see the page is hidden. And here you can see this product have not images and this product is hidden on the search result page and category page and shop page. Here you can see if I search the product and it is not found. And that's it. You have now learned how to exclude WooCommerce products without feature images using a simple PHP snippet. No extra plugin needed, just clean and efficient code. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, comment below if you have any question, subscribe to pkmentor for more WooCommerce and WooCommerce tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.